Okay, so I'm going to keep sharing with you the structure of this diagram for 360 degrees. We've got the first ring here happening, so I'm just going to go over what the dimensions and properties are of that ring. And just so you know, you can find all this information in my book, Understanding Base 12 Math, How to Draw the Perfect Circle Using Dawsonall Geometry. It's available through Amazon, and I show you how to build this diagram and explain the inner workings step by step. It's a lot of good illustrations and drawings in there, just going through, and that's what I'm going to be doing now in this next series of videos. So we've got the first ring of the diagram, and so the radius of that polygon is 3.2 root 2. So you can see that number right down here, 3.2 root 2. That's the distance from the point 0, 0 along the 45-degree line to that point there. And so each consecutive ring, that's the main circle. That's the main length. So the next ring of the diagram has a radius of 6.4 root 2, and then 9.6 root 2. I gotta go say, let's say, and then 10.8, and so on. So ultimately there's 30 rings to the diagram. And so the 30th ring is going to be 30 times 3.2 root 2 will be its radius. So there's a triangle formed inside each of these, or it's like a series of, they're polygons, which are made up of triangles. So the first ring of the diagram has 24 sides, so there's 48 triangles in there, and those triangles have the dimensions. One side is the length of 3.2 root 2, then the short side is the length of 0.5 root 2, and that 0.5 is made up of the length of 0.49 root 2 plus 0.03 root 2. So those are important dimensions. And so the next polygon is going to have that long length is going to be 2 times that, so 6.4 root 2, and then that side has got the same short length of 0.5 root 2. So we're making consecutive polygons basically, and then these round circles with the radius of 0.49 root 2 are sitting on the points of the polygon. So it's a very easy diagram to construct once we have the basic shape. And so what I want to do now is just show you how we go through and basically find the points for all the circles. Initially, it's pretty straightforward, but occasionally a ring like the 7th ring and the 11th ring, it's sort of hard to find fill in the gaps as we go outwards.